I'm gonna look for a place to stop off somewhere. Here seems to be good because of the nice orange and green colors. This is basically a road that not really many people use, but at the same time, if a car is going past, I need to move off the way because they can't pass me. So I need to be quick before any cars come. Right, let's get some photos. This is actually gonna look really nice, I think, looking at the camera photo. Let's get some lower angles as well. I wish I had my other wheels on because the photos would come out so much better with the 18-inch wheels that I have. If you don't know what wheels I'm talking about, I'll throw them in. Oh my god, that's deep snow. I'll throw a photo of the wheels on the screen somewhere so you get an idea of what wheels I'm talking about. Right, some close-up shots, 70mm. I need to keep looking back behind me if there's no cars coming. Let's get this side. Using my leg here as a tripod. There's a cyclist coming. I hope he can pass. I am, let's say, oh Jesus, that's deep snow right there. I don't think I want to get wet. Oh. I'm kind of all over the place. I don't know what photos to get because I'm in a rush. Let's try get some wide shots as well. Another car coming. What other shots can we get? Kind of walking around. I've taken some photos of this car already, so I'm kind of not bored, but I guess I've taken so many photos of this car that I don't know what other shots to get in general. No, that's not really a nice angle. Right, let's get the lights right on the lights. Let's see what that looks like. They are a bit yellow on the camera, but I'm going to change that in Lightroom. I do use Lightroom to edit these photos as well, so any edits done will be using Lightroom. Try to get some different photos from what I've been taking. Oh, this seems to be an okay shot. You need to hurry up before more cars come. So I'm just taking random shots, hoping some of them are gonna be good. Right, I like these colors. They should be below the car, so it looks better. Right, let's try have them above the car as well. My shoes are soaked already. I hear a car coming already. Alright, I have enough. I'm gonna move on to a different location. Actually, not a different location, just further down this road. Try to get some more photos. Sitting in the car, I saw a shot that might look good from behind these bushes here somewhere. Oh my god, that actually looks so good with the lights. Why did I not turn the lights on earlier? The lights look like they're beams because it is a bit foggy. From what I can see, it's starting to rain as well, which is not good. Actually, oh my god, this snow is so deep. I don't know why I'm jumping in here. I hope you enjoyed the video. I think I can hear another car already. Okay, so this camera actually has like a cropped sensor that you can switch between. I don't know if you can see it here, but the car looks like this. I press a button and it crops in the sensor. So I'm gonna try. It's basically having two lenses in one. So I'm gonna try that out now. That might actually look really nice. Another car is coming.